Washington Middle School, welcome to our Thursday lesson. We're going to be comparing ratios today. So the standard is this. I can compare ratio relationships that are shown using different representations. So what does that mean to compare? All right, so let's underline that word compare. What does that word compare mean? To compare, we have to have two different things we're comparing. So let's say I have one banana and 3 plums. And my daughter, come on over here, Erica. She has 2 bananas and how many plums? 4 plums. Okay. So she has more plums than I have. But let's think about the ratio of bananas to plums. I have a ratio of 1 to 3, 1 banana to 3 plums. And she has 2 bananas to 4 plums. So who has a higher ratio of plums? We'll do plums to bananas. Who has a higher ratio of plums to bananas? Let's get into that on our lesson today. So we are going to compare ratio relationships that are shown using different representations. Yeah, so what kind of representations are different? Yeah, we can have ratio tables. We can have graphs. All right, so let's go to the next resource. All right, so we are going to use graphs to compare ratio relationships. So we have Paolo's Pizzeria advertises 24 pepperonis on every 12-inch pizza. The relationship of pepperonis to pizza size for 2 other pizzerias is shown in the table and the graph. So which pizzeria advertises the greatest ratio of pepperonis to pizza size? Well, I know I'm going to just think about this. And how about we underline a couple things? We have Paolo has 24 pepperonis on every 12-inch pizza. So I know those are going to be really important information for me to think about. I can then look at these other 2 and I can say, well, this one I can see a 12-inch pizza has 18. This one has 18 pepperonis on a 12-inch pizza. So between these 2, which one has more pepperoni, that has a greater ratio of pepperoni to pizza? Yeah, the top one, Paolo's, has more than the slice of pie. All right, let's look at the Pizza Palace. And I can compare this one, but again, I found that the 12-inch piece of pizza here has 30 pepperonis. But then I'm going to go to the next page and see what I can do. All right, so to compare these 3 ratios, use the same representation for each, such as a graph. So the ratio of pepperonis to pizza size for the Pizza Palace are already graphed. For Paolo's Pizzeria, use scaling to write the ordered pairs 816, 1020, and 1224. Again, we had 12 and 24. 12 and 24. Draw dotted lines through the points. The graph for the Pizza Place is the steepest, and the graph for Paolo's Pizzeria is steeper than the graph for a slice of pie. So again, the pizza place, just like we said at the beginning, has the steepest line, which means the most pepperonis based on the size of the pizza. So we're going to go to the next slide. All right, so now that we've thought about that, we can answer this question. And we have some fill in the blanks. This means that blank has the greatest ratio of pepperonis to pizza size in inches, followed by blank, and then blank. Well, which one has the greatest ratio of pepperoni to pizza slices? Well, I noticed that the steepest one is this blue line. It has 30 pieces of pepperoni on a 12-inch pizza and 40 pieces on a 16-inch pizza. So I'm going to say that the pizza place has the greatest ratio of pepperonis to pizza size in inches. Followed by, well, the second most pepperoni is at Paolo's Pizzeria. So I'm going to say Paolo's Pizzeria. And then is what? The slice of pie is the last one. I'm going to check my answers. And we've got it.